The newly appointed office bearers of the Dillai head branch of Karbi Students Association, in short KSA, were administered oath yesterday. The new office bearers took oath in the presence of advisor Chandra Singh Singnar, KSA Bokajan Regional Committee General Secretary Nobin Rongpi, ex-president Hundor Bey, ex-secretary Bhagya Teron and several others. More from our correspondent's report. The reshuffle of the KSA Dillai head branch took place on June 18. Accordingly, Bikram Crow was reinstated as the president, while Brojan Hanse was given the charge of secretary, Devan Singh Bey and Sarbangri Teron as AGS, Abirta Timung and Vaisong Terang given the charge of vice president. Few other persons were also included in the new body in different posts. All of them had taken oath yesterday to serve with sincerity and lead the body for the next 2 years. Speaking on the occasion, advisor Chandra Singh Singnar appealed the organization to keep itself away from involving with political parties. He urged them to hold more awareness camps on education, giving emphasis to quality learning. According to him, only by gaining quality education, the youth would be able to work positively for the welfare of the society. During the day, the organization had decided to hold a career counseling program very soon. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dillai, Karbi Live.